Skin Place Combo Treatment, VITATOX Botox and Vitafil. Eyes Focus Treatment reduces fine lines and wrinkles, smooths out crow's feet and other expression lines around the eyes, restores volume and elasticity, enhances the under-eye area by replenishing lost volume for a youthful appearance, hydrates and nourishes the skin. Vitafil's vitamin-enriched formula ensures deep hydration and improved skin health. Minimally invasive, delivers noticeable results with little to no downtime, making it a convenient option. Brightens and rejuvenates, helps diminish the appearance of tired, dull eyes, resulting in a refreshed and radiant look. Customizable treatment, tailored to address individual needs for optimal results.